Wow. This is one of the projects that we started a few months ago. And as you can see, look at the seed. Now, this. This is tomato. And we use recycle to get this done. So we're using what we have around us to create what we want. So this is going to be transferred into a pot where you will see all the tomatoes coming out very soon. You can see we're not just sitting at home, we're doing something. And this is what we've been teaching all our youth to embark on. So we want to encourage you also to start using the recycled products to start different things. Don't give up. The best is yet to come.